Hello and welcome to another episode of Zolf Talks Photography. In this one, I've been asking our fellow YouTubers on Reddit an amazing question. As usual, I ask a certain question relating to photography and videography, and I basically bring you the answers and share what people in this community are saying. Today, what was the last thing you bought that really improved your video quality? So, if you're looking for something to improve your quality on a budget or something cheap, that will have a big impact, you're on the right video. I have a number of these videos where I share these types of things, so I'll link you to a playlist in the card. Make sure to check that out. So other than a capable camera, I always say lighting, and a bit more lighting, but I'm sure there are other things too. So let me know below in the comment section what improved your video quality. This applies to you. If you're listening to this, make sure to let me know. But that was a question I asked Reddit. So we have a few answers here. Improved lighting is on my list as hash number 1. That's a good one to start with, and that's probably the biggest one. Doesn't have a big quality. And another comment here from one of the moderators on the Reddit forum, lighting. I actually had them sitting around because Aperture sent them to me, but I only used them on an occasion. I went through an upgrade phase and decided to start using them for everything. I'm glad I did. The quality of the light is fantastic. And he also upgraded his camera. He uses a webcam, and he upgraded from a Logitech C922 to a Canon M50, and the difference is as expected. And yes, I'm the first person to use a flare in that community, and it looks pretty cool, the moderator said. And yes, I agree. I use 2 cheap 300 LED panel lights and they work wonders. Cameras wise, I got 3 cheap action cameras as webcams, and I have like 4 angles set up on a live stream. I have worked out how to use my Canon 550D, which is a T2i, as a webcam via OBS screen capture, and it looks pretty cool. And the last thing I invested in that improved pretty much everything for my channel was a TubeBuddy Legend subscription. So that's a type of subscription that helps you maintain your channel. So that's something that they found useful. And of course, that's some more information there. I'll link you to this article so you can read it in more detail if you'd like to. You pretty much trumped us all. I have to agree that is a good upgrade. But are you using in terms of a camera? So the camera that I use is a Sony a7S II with Samyang Rokinon lenses. Oh, nice. That's a nice camera. 10-year-old 550 here that I use, and I'm happy with that. And 360 camera suggested, but not for the 360 aspect. The smooth pans and stabilizations made an immediate impact on my retention. This sounds great. So there's a few different things there to look at in terms of upgrades. A full face scuba mask to cover up my ugly mug. Serious though, a scuba dive could water, and I bought a better wetsuit to stay warmer. So I'm assuming he makes some types of videos relating to diving probably. So he's upgraded that, which makes him see clearly, I'm assuming. And audio is really important. I just got a new Shure Lens Shopper mic for filming on the go. It was recommended to me by a large channel in my niche, and it has upped my audio quality notably. So that's definitely right. Sometimes to improve your video, you might have to improve the audio. That's a big part of the deal. So that was some questions there from the Reddit community, and I'll be happy to share this link in the description so you can actually look at this. But that's some interesting experience from different members in the community of YouTubers as YTubers.